Hey guys, today it's me, Gymnasticus, and now I'm going to teach you how to make slime. So I already made one here, but I've done it in a video, but I didn't want to post it because it wasn't that good. You can't really see it, but it's a pinky baby pink, and I'm with my brother. He's making funny fishes. So we got 2 containers, one for him, one for me. Okay, can you stop making funny faces now? Let's get on with the video. So what you need is some shampoo.
We need shampoo.
What's this?
Cream.
Shaving cream.
Hey,
And
cream.
some body wash.
Aren't they body wash?
No, you can't say it. So let's get on with this video. So let's get started. So first, what you need to put in is your shampoo. So I'm going to put mine in first. He's going to put his, no, I am. So you're going to put it on your spoon. Careful if you don't get it. Good if you have.
I'll put my food.
Because you know.
And I'll put my food.
Yeah. But you've got a small spoon, you're going to have to put it in, quick. I need some more to make it slimy. And you need some more to make it slimy. And we're going guys to get some slime. And we're going to get some stuff to make the slime. And I'm not going to make a video on it. I'm only going to show. Stop it. We don't need... Okay, so what you need to do now is just mix this shampoo.
I'm making mine. I'm getting pink.
I know, pink.
Pink.
Okay,
And I need pink.
so it's going to look like this. But next what you need is to put in the...
Put
body.
mine.
I'm going to put mine in first because I'm a girl, so...
Put mine.
You know what they say? You put less than...
Put mine.
Why do girls love to do that most?
I just stop doing it.
I'll put my favourite part, the shaving cream, so... just
I'll
wanna
do it.
Shake it
Put
off.
on mine.
Shake it off. I really love that song. He's not in the camera, I don't know why, but you just want to mix this, what you just put in. I just forgot. Mix it. This is going to turn it out into slime, but who cares? You can use it like this, if you like. So that was my video. I'm just kidding you.
And put my cream on it.
So let's
My cream.
get on with the creaming.
Me.
So my brother's gonna go first with the cream. Come on, get up. Wait, don't mix now. Get off. It's like a little birdie, that was. A little birdie. So now what you need to do is mix and stir. So mix. Wow. This is already
I'm making faster.
Wow. This is already turning it into slime. So what you need to do is mix it fast to make it slimy and gooey.
And I'm making faster.
This is going to feel like putty when you touch it.
I'm making faster.
I think it won't stick on you, but yeah, so I'm just doing this because I like slime. It's like, no, when I go Greece, I'm going to buy some slime and I'm going to get some ingredients to make it, what it says on the package or anything where it's in the container. Then I'm going to make it and I'm going to show you guys how I made it, okay? And there's this bright yellow, and I'm going to take that one because I really hope that it would glow in the dark. So yeah, let's keep stirring and mixing and stirring and mixing. Yeah, keep stirring and mixing. And guys, you can put more. Okay, you can do this too.
Doing it.
Look, our containers are moving except. Okay, I'm just gonna go find a container to put it. So, boo boo. Okay, wait guys.
Okay,
I don't have any.
It's not allowed.
I don't have any containers so yeah.
I want to miss it.
Okay, come on mix. Yours is looking like good. I've got a bit more. And if you want guys, oh for gosh sake you. Ha. Oh sorry. Okay, so if you want, you can put some more of this.
Shampoo.
Not
Mine.
Wait, look what I'm gonna do, guys. If you do this and do this. And this.
And me.
And this. What I did. I'm really cool at school, I am. But at home, I'm better cool.
Me.
That's like a spider. I did yours.
Oh.
So you can see that yellow there. Okay, now mix it.
It's getting pink.
It'll be looking like snack. Taste. I mean, smell a bit bad. So yeah. But can you move your arm and put your finger? He calls this slime. Man. And I might make a different video again on slime, like right now after this video. Done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give me some more making videos in the comments down below, and please subscribe and like this video.
Are we doing
Bye.
more? We're doing again.
I'm crazy. Oh, sure.
Oh.
Stay tuned for our bloopers.
Oh.
Okay, how? Oh God, this is wrong. God,
That's so
I did this wrong.
I want cream.
No, we don't need more cream.
Yeah, I want more cream.
Okay, we just need to put some more cream in this. What? I got these.
More.
I don't even
More.
know what I'm doing.
More.
Oh,
More.
okay. Just have that little pinch. Let's mix this. Mix this way. Okay, make it fluffy.
What?
Should we do a video on making slime with
this.
That we don't need any more of that. On washing up liquid.
this.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
I want
Bye-bye.
more cream. Ooh.